JKH Coffee is a new brand here in Pampanga. Actually, this is our first branch. So we have plans to expand the coffee shop, maybe here in Pampanga or somewhere in Manila or in Luzon.
How long has this been open?
We've opened last November 2 last year, so right now 2 months.
It's a combination of coffee and tea, right?
Yeah, combination of coffee, tea, and we do have cakes. You have pastry chef, so we don't buy it outside.
They look gorgeous. I must encourage you to come and have a look.
So JKH Cafe has a Civet Coffee. If you're familiar to Alamid Cats, so Alamid Cats is one of our bestseller coffee here. Tastes like nutty caramel. That's it.
Where is it from? Is it locally grown?
Yeah,
or is it
this is locally
sourced
from Benguet.
Benguet coffee.
Okay. So our civet, the components of it, if you're familiar to musang, the poop of it.
Yes.
They eat the beans and then they poop it.
Yes,
so the
correct.
farmers roasted it.
Well, actually, I am quite excited to try. This is going to be my first time to try Civet coffee, and she's going to let me try both the black coffee, Americano, and also the latte version of it. Yes. And what is your bestseller on the tea?
For the tea, the JKH Special Fruit Tea, it has our sinkers that pure fruits like apples, pear, watermelon, oranges.
Okay.
And the base of it is green tea with passion jam.
Wow, that sounds good. So we're going to try some of their tea as well. So what is your bestseller in the coffee one?
For me, since I'm a coffee barista, I will recommend to you the Civet, the white chocolate mocha, and then the matcha and espresso fusion.
And the price is about 350 pesos. That's roughly about $7.
Yeah.
Yeah, about $7 per cup of Civet coffee. We're going to give it a try. Okay, let's have it.
For the hot, the small size is only 1 shot, but on the large, it's actually 2 shots.
You had this before?
Yes, on our first day here.
Yeah.
So I've tried all the coffee since actually I am the one who composed all the recipes for coffee and frappuccino.
Are you coffee lover?
Yeah. Actually, my passion is coffee. I'm from Starbucks before.
Okay.
I'm a former partner. So that's why I really love to drink coffee.
Okay.
And after a year, I lost my passion in coffee, and then JKH offered me to come back to be their coffee barista. So I accept the offer, and that's it.
So why did you lose your passion in coffee? How would anyone lose?
Stress, mental stress, family problem, anything.
All the pandemic.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. Well, anyway, what should I expect from this coffee?
It should be dark. The civet is dark. Like, if you know the taste of nutty taste of it, you will taste it on your.
Okay. I couldn't taste it.
You couldn't taste it?
So acidity is definitely very low. The body is, I wouldn't call it even medium, even probably medium, right?
Yeah. And actually, we do have different taste buds. So for you, it's a medium taste, no acidity. I mean, low level of acidity. But some of our customers are complaining that our Civet coffee is very dark, and the acid of it is they can't
really.
can't help it.
Well, I'm kind of like I'm from Thailand, and we do like our coffee to be very strong.
Yeah.
I suppose in the Philippines, tell me the preference of the people. You being at Starbucks before, they like milder coffee, right?
Yeah, they really like mild coffee.
Yeah. Specialty coffee, they go for lighter roast, but you can taste the coffee. But I must say here, I think personally, I think it's a very, very light.
Very, very light for you.
I mean, Jason, the barista, was telling us that this is a one shot of espresso
Yes.
for such a large cup. So I really cannot taste the coffee. There is a little bit of an aftertaste now. I can taste it. It's a little bit nutty, but I might suggest that you might wish to experiment with a double shot on this one, because this is such a large cup. You know, I mean, I would probably put one shot for a 6 ounce, and that does double that. Right? That's just my honest opinion.
Yeah, it's
but
okay.
I do like the taste of it.
We really appreciate it.
Yeah, it is very light. Now, you can try the latte. I mean, Jason was quite nervous making this. Okay, well, my verdict on this is also, it is too light for my taste. I couldn't taste the coffee. I could taste the milk. Okay, take 2. Thank you, Wendy. This is now going to be stronger, right?
Yeah.
That's more like it. It is more like it. Yeah, I could taste now the roast, the dark roast of it. It still has a low acidity, which is good. The body is definitely a bit stronger. It is nutty. It's not caramel really.
Yeah.
There's no hint of caramel, but I prefer this. Thank you very much.
Actually, I'm so sorry that I didn't know that Hazel put one shot on the Americano. It should be 2 shots already.
Oh, that's okay. I mean, you know, it really depends on the demand. You know,
But actually, sometimes our Filipino customers are not so much good in the dark roast side of the coffee. Sometimes I'll talk to them and they say that that's too strong.
Too strong. Yeah, probably you make it like a ristretto, but definitely double shot.
Yeah.
Bubble tea.
Yeah.
I will first look at the color of it. The color is good. It looks really, really dark, I must say. And it's almost like chocolate dark. This is a winner. I like it.
Thank you.
Commercial, you might have to make it a little bit sweeter. I like the taste of it. It's got this citrusy taste, and it's definitely fresh tea, nothing like powder. So if you come in here, I would suggest that you try this one. This is your signature bubble tea.
Signature bubble.
Yeah. I was asking actually for the red bean bubble tea, but I got this one. I approve. For the coffee, I enjoyed my Civet, but you will find my full rating review of JKH in the description box below, so you will have to wait and see. Anyway, is there anything you'd like to say to our viewers?
We would like to welcome you here in JKH Cafe and try our bestseller drinks like in coffees, milk teas, and then in fruit teas. And we really love the ambience of this coffee shop.
I do too. I really love it. I love the design. I love the way everything is almost like very, very delicately designed. The cups.
We do receive a lot of compliments with our ambience.
Yeah, the ambience is, I would rate it 10 out of 10. Honestly, it's a place for you to meet your friends and enjoy a cup of either bubble tea or coffee. So if ever you're in Angeles, Pampanga, I would recommend that you come to the shop. Do give the shop a try. I have done my review and I definitely approve of their milk tea. The coffee, make sure you ask for your preferences, okay? Because I'll say what they have here is what everyone's preferences are, but if you like stronger coffee, do feel free to ask the barista to adjust the strength of your coffee. Thank you so much for having me here.
Thank you so much for this and for your reviews on our drinks. That's a lot of help.
Yeah, so I'll see you again for more of these challenge tour videos. In the meantime, stay safe, take care. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.
Bye.
Thank you, Wendy.
Thank you so much.